What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I thought of bringing something a little bit different, a slight bit different. So if you came here for the natural hairstyles, make sure you stay tuned. But first, if you're new to this channel and you ain't never seen me, make sure you subscribe to the channel because your girl is going to be putting out such quality videos surrounding natural hair, skincare, self-care, lifestyle, makeup. Should I go on and on? So make sure you hit that red subscribe button and make sure you tap to have all notifications by hitting that bell button and selecting all notifications so you're notified every single time I post a new video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first style is going to be half and half. So half and half would be right about here. Since I didn't part my hair all the way, you know, symmetrical, half and half, but you guys get the idea. So a half and half look would be like this. You can wear it like this, half and half. So I'm gonna call this style half and half. The next style, you're gonna take half of the side of your hair and you're gonna put it up to a ponytail. So you're gonna do like this, wrap it around, and you're gonna create a bun. So this is a little bun. So we got one bun, and then we pull this side up. This has a little less hair. Okay, so this side, we're gonna twist it like we did the other side. So wrap. So we're gonna twist it, and you can do it like a messy bun situation, or you can do it where it's more tamed. I really like this look. Normally I put like one braid out, like this one for example. I'll put one braid out like that and I'll rock this look. So this is called two buns. The third hairstyle is going to be one I go to, which is a side part. I like to do a side part, and I take all the hair to the back and I bring it around to a ponytail, put an elastic band around. So this is another style. So that's the third style. The next style I like to do is pretty similar to what you guys have probably seen before, but I like to braid my hair. See, I'm kind of, well, not braiding, but I'm twisting, creating like a halo twist around my hair. We're gonna call this a halo twist. And then we can either bobby pin it like this, or we can do a ponytail. So I'm gonna call this a halo ponytail. And there we go, halo sleek. This is how the back looks, nice and neat. So this is style number 4. Another style that I like to do is the side pony. So you could take whatever part. So I'm going to take this part. I swoop this hair around either to this side like this, give it this look, or I can swoop it to this side and put this side back and swoop it over here. And then you can even bobby pin this down so it stays in place. And then if you want this to stay in place, you can do like this. You can either leave it flat if it's like staying, or you can put a pony. Obviously not this color, but you can leave it like this, or you can twist it. Yeah, let's try. So make sure if you having a problem with what I'm having, you can twist the braid like that, the group, and just wrap it around. Looks, you know, looks good. Sometimes you can droop it down lower, so it's like a flow. But these are all the styles I have for you guys. This is how I typically wear my braids. I like simple styles. I don't really like complex stuff. I've seen these styles either from previous YouTube videos over the years, or things that I found that I like with my hair that doesn't put a lot of tension. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I believe it was 5 hairstyles. So if you wear any of these, make sure to tag me in it on Instagram at _naturallyxandra. Subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so you're alerted every single time I post a new video. Make sure that you stay tuned because there's some good footage and content coming your way.